Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and my name is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video I have created this simple yet beautiful quick look with using only 6 products. That is, as you already read the title, it's from Merit Beauty, and this is their holiday edition. This is their velvet bag. They have in black and brown color, so they wanted to send me some of their products to try and test out and share my reviews on my channel. So I hope you guys like this video and enjoy watching it. If you do, please don't forget to hit that like button and share my video to all your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. It will really motivate me to make more such videos. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Merit Beauty is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. This is not a foundation or a concealer, but it can replace both. So you can even use it as a concealer or a foundation. They have a total 20 shades on their website. This is very lightweight and a hydrating formula that wears throughout the day without even settling into fine lines. So this was not making my face, cakey or chalky at all. It glides and my skin very smoothly, and I use a brush as well. This have like buildable coverage from light to medium coverage to give, so you can even apply a second layer and to give full coverage. I have used Merit Beauty's brush number 1, that is blending brush. This they have, I don't know if they have more brushes, but the bristles were very soft, as you can see. So it gave very nice smooth finish like a canvas. So this brush number 1 softly blends the complexion products into your skin for a natural airbrushed finish. So this is available on the site for $30. The third product I'm using is Merit Beauty's Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade, and I have used the shade Brown. They have 3 shades, and this is for price $24. Now this is very nice. I really like the wand, and very equally the color was going on my brows, and this gave very natural and perfect shade. I felt like the brown was perfect color for me. So this is tinted flexible pomade, shapes and grooms your brows into place for a natural bold arcs. The next is this lip oil by Merit Beauty, Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. They have in total, I guess, 8 shades. This slick and sheer color infused with rose hip oil and shea butter for healthy lips all day. I have used in the shade Sangria, which is deep berry. I really love how it glides into my skin. It gives that natural pink and even glossy effect. This is like an oil, as I told you. So this lip oil is not at all sticky and does not make me feel uncomfortable at all. The next product is Merit Beauty's Day Glow. It's an highlighting balm. They have 2 shades. One is in champagne and other is in rose gold. I have chosen the one which is in rose gold. This is very like a balmy texture. Very smoothly glides onto my skin. Does not make it look chalky or any you cannot see any kind of shining or something. It looks very smoothly glides into my skin. It's a translucent moisturizing highlighter that illuminates skin for a fresh morning dewdrop. So you can see it just give the natural glow onto my skin, on my nose, on my cheeks, on my upper lips and my chin. I applied it on my chin. It just give that glow on my natural glow on my skin. I also like applying as a single eyeshadow on my eyelids on both the sides. If you see, it just gives that fresh look on my skin. The next product is Merit Beauty's Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. And this is I really like the wand. It's quite long and it's where I could easily apply on my upper lashes as well as on my lower lashes. It definitely lengthens my lashes and lifts the lashes, and there was I can also, this is smudge proof, and this mascara stayed for a really long time. And also it was easily, you can remove it through, if you just use it, plain water, so it was not making me any kind of uncomfortable on my eyelids as well. So this is like an everyday tubing mascara, that defines, separates and lengthens lashes for a wide awake look.
Guys, this is a quick look, isn't it? Just using 6 products, and these are simple. This is a simple look and so quick. You can, if you're a working mother or you are student, you can definitely create this look and you can use this every day as well. I love all these products, and very easily you can use it. It's and very nicely blendable, very pigmented. Especially I love this gloss, this by Merit. I will share all the links in my description box below. Please do check them out. If you're interested to buy, you can check from my link below. And also follow me on Instagram. ID is just chill with Pam, where I create some different content there. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit this like button and share my video. Also subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.